Hey there, it's Nancy back again with some more tips for you about what to put in your tool chest when you go look at distressed property. So we covered our hair, we covered our hands, we covered how to access properties. So once I'm inside, what do I need? Well, I'm gonna need some paper towels, possibly some contractor towels. Now, a little story about these bad boys. Well, and these probably would have done it too, but I just had to pay a plumber to dig these out of a brand new sewer line. Thank you very much to my contractor. So these are not to go down the drains. Another paper product that's always in my toolbox, you guessed it. Now, need I say more? I'm just saying, be prepared, all right? You don't want to be caught without it.